Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got another radio here from Jeff. He loans me these radios so I can show them to you. I appreciate that, Jeff. And he finds these unusual cases at thrift stores to put the radios in. And you won't believe how this radio fits perfectly in this case. It's a nice zippered case, long carrying strap. And here we go. Let's open it up. Okay, oh boy, this thing's heavy. So it fits in there perfect. Padded, nice padded case. And this is another candle radio. I showed you two of his candle radios before, the little tiny one, and then the one that was about half the size of this. And now we got this gigantic one. It's 12 inches wide and 3 inches deep and about 4.5 inches high. So it's a big table radio. And you can see that it's pretty sleek looking. All it's got is these controls on the side here. This is the on-off volume, and this is a tuning dial. So if I can get a little closer to the camera. Okay. And then we have the back, and this is AM or medium wave only, and the thing weighs a ton, and you're going to see why in a few minutes. Now let me get my notes. I just dropped them on the floor. Jeff is also kind enough to give me some notes about the radios. He said it was made in Japan, 8 transistor, so-called long range tropicalized. I don't know what that means, but he can't find any other information about this radio. So this is pretty unique. It's probably one of a kind here, this big baby. He bought it from Radio Attic, and the radio was severely yellow, which means the previous owner probably smoked. And Jeff is in the car or vehicle detailing business, so he knew how to use multi grains of sandpaper to sand it down, just like you would do the headlights on your car when they get yellowed. So he has done a terrific job of cleaning it up. But boy, it's so heavy. I mean heavy. Must weigh about 10 pounds. It uses 6 D-cell batteries, and I'm going to show you the arrangement, and that's also why it's so long. So let me turn it on first.
On the FM dial for Salem Radio as well, 1780 Clearwater.
Right here is the only speaker.
One of our commercial listings right here in Tampa Bay, and this is a great opportunity. It's a corner
And from like
location.
halfway here
Aluminum-style
over
building,
is batteries.
Steel-type building where you have the roll-up shutters. You've got a hot island now.
Picking up plenty of stations, even in my office.
Brad May, yeah.
Yeah. If you ask 100 people, I bet 3 people know it.
Freddie Mercury, Johnny Venus,
Yeah.
Sam Earth.
Yeah.
Sounds a little tinny. So let me show you the inside. That's what blows your mind. So the back here, this green part, is held on with these 3 screws. And so let me make sure I get it off. There, it's off. So I'll take this off. And you can kind of see here into this part right here where he did not clean it yet. That's kind of the yucky color it was. Where now it's like this. Okay, let's get these 3 knobs out. Screws. Let me set it down, it's easier. See if I got them loose. Not this one. There we go. So here is the 6 D-cell batteries. And of course you got 6 D-cell batteries. It's gonna be heavy, heavy, heavy. And then here's the circuit board, the old transistor circuit board. The speaker is behind the circuit board. This is the ferrite antenna. Tiny, tiny, really tiny. I don't know why they didn't make it bigger. Pretty cool. Boy, it's heavy though. It is heavy. And then the only way this would work is they include these tubes to put the batteries in to hold them in place. And a lot of times, radios that use D cells and even C cells, the tubes are missing. And you're out of luck, because otherwise these things are just going to flex and fall down. But these tubes, I don't know, it's strange that they look so new. I don't know if he got these later on, but they look brand new. They're not yellowed or anything. So that's it. Again, this is a candle. There's the name right there, radio. Set this down. It's really heavy. See, the batteries are starting to move, but they're held in place with the cover, of course. So that's it. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios, and I hope you enjoyed the show. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and have a great day. Bye-bye.